Hello there everyone, it's 101 here, and welcome to my second Sunday upload. Yeah, as you can see, this is a Redstone video. Well, this one is. Or is it? This doesn't look too red. Yes, this is a mod, basically. This video will be partially about this mod, and partially about said creation that I have made in the game. Now, first things first, I need to explain to you the limitations of Redstone. For starters, torches. They have an update time, and so do repeaters. Now, as I'm sure you know, Redstone runs out after 15 blocks for whatever reason, because Notch willed it for whatever reason, and you need to use a repeater to repeat it, and repeat it, and repeat it if you want it to go a long way. This is all well and good, and it's perfectly fine for smallish circuits, but as soon as you've got lots of these in a delay, sort of a loop, or a line going to some faraway piece of a circuit, you'll see that there's quite a substantial delay before the signal is repeated to the other end of the line. Just look at how long it takes this torch to turn off. Now, that's a fundamental limitation itself. It means anything you build with it is going to have to pause and wait for the signals to propagate throughout a set of wires, maybe a bus and a CPU or whatever. Now, this mod is called Instant Redstone, and it does what it says on the tin. It's Instant Redstone. These are Instant Redstone repeaters, and as you can see, they are very, very, very instant. No observable delay whatsoever. Whereas the normal ones, as you saw, huge delay. Same thing for torches, actually. These instant torches, they turn on instantly as well. When compared to the normal ones, which you can actually see updating over time, which is annoying at best. Now, this becomes more useful to you once you have a very large circuit. Now, this is a memory array. It was originally designed to be program memory in a large CPU I was planning on building using Redstone, but never did because Redstone was too slow. So what I did is I rebuilt it using these torches, and they are very, very nice, and they look blue and funky, but that's not the point. As you can see, I have written this value, 1111 and however many zeros, to this line, line 1. Now I want to go and display line 1, and you'll see that immediately after I click the display line 1 button here, it's already brought them up on the display. Now, normally in a memory array that's about 160 blocks long, now the output signal, just to clarify, has to go all the way to the end and then come all the way back again, just because of my awful design. So, yeah, it did all of that and came all the way back and so forth. Now, for those of you who don't know much about memory or computers or Redstone in general, I'm going to illustrate this much more simply with this decoder over here. Now, I'm sure most of you have seen those counters that count from 0 to 9 using Redstone, and they all seem a bit buggy, cells and segments go on and off and whatnot. Well, with the Instant Redstone mod, as you can see, it updates the display very, very quickly. So, this is the 1-bit, this is the 2-bit, 4-bit, and the 8-bit. You'll know what I'm talking about if you know binary. If you don't, just watch and see how fast it is, and go ooh and ah and stuff. So, yep, I click the 2-bit, there's a 2. I click the 4-bit, and there's a 4. I click the 8-bit, and there's an 8. Now, yes, normally I don't build large circuits with Redstone because it's just too slow. I've built circuits similar to this memory array here in real life, and it's just too time consuming. The one thing I've wanted the entire time I've known about Redstone is for it to be instantaneous, so that you could build interesting circuits with it. And now it is, and I've spent about the last week just using this mod, building random stuff, counters, decoders, all sorts of funky, nerdy stuff. And I'm actually beginning to put together my own Redstone CPU based upon this. For those of you who don't know, a CPU is a central processing unit. Essentially, it's a computer. Yes, that's right, I'm building a computer in a computer game. Isn't that great? Any of you don't understand that? Just go over to Google and search dawg, spelled D-A-W-G. So, yep, I hope you enjoyed my video. And just to say, there will be more creations based upon this mod. Well, basically, I am building a CPU. You will see it in various stages of development throughout the next few weeks. Now, one more thing to note. I have been getting some complaints about walking around too much whilst talking, and I hope I've improved on that a bit. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed my video, and there'll be a link to this mod in the description, and I will probably put up this world up for download so that you can have a play with my memory array here. It's a bit buggy, it's not brilliant, but oh well. Yeah, as I said, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, like, rate, comment, and subscribe. That's about it. 101 out.